Google and McKinsey crack down on AI cheating. In-person interviews make a comeback. AI may be revolutionizing the workplace, but here's the twist. It's also ruining job interviews. Big names like Google and McKinsey are now rolling back the clock, forcing candidates to show up in person just to stop them from secretly using AI during interviews. In recent years, virtual interviews became the norm. They were convenient, efficient, cost effective. But there's a problem. Recruiters started noticing candidates reading AI generated answers word for word, especially in technical interviews where real time problem solving is crucial. AI was quietly giving applicants an unfair edge. That's why companies are making a bold move. McKinsey introduced a policy more than a year ago requiring at least one in-person interview before any offer is made. Google followed suit, with CEO Sundar Pichai confirming that every candidate now faces at least one in-person round. The goal to make sure applicants truly understand the fundamentals without learning on ChatGPT or AI tools. But this crackdown goes beyond just interviews. According to the Wall Street Journal, some employers are even flying candidates out to headquarters, while others are encouraging old school tactics like pen resumes, papers handed in person. It's back to back basics hiding wave designed to filter out AI cheating. And here's the interesting part, job seekers seems to like it. A survey by the American Staffing Association found that 70% of US adults actually prefer in-person interviews over phone or video calls. In other words, people want to stand out and showing up literally. This shift is also happening against a backdrop of cooling job market. US employment growth has slowed to near decade low, sparking new trends like job hugging, where workers cling to their roles, and quiet firing, where companies nudge employees out without formally laying them off. In such tense climate, in-person interviews are becoming a way to test resilience and authenticity. So while AI is shaking up industry, it's also reshaping how we get hired. The measure from top employers is clear. If you want the job, you can't fake it. You need to show up and prove it. And if you found this story valuable, hit subscribe and turn the bell icon so you don't miss the next big updates on AI jobs and future of work.